Good morning, dear student classmates. This is Language and Culture. This is task 2, Language and Thought. The lesson 5 is how do children acquire concepts. No direct teaching, for example, watching cartoons, test years and stages. And also start at 1 year old using words and start building vocabulary. According to Saussure, type token relationships are the signifier, for example, chain of words, like in this case penguin, the signified, which has shape, form, silhouette of a penguin. These two are the linguistic signs. Translation and intercultural communication. So when we try to express an idea in another language, we have to find the most accurate one in another language, which most closely relates to. For example, in English, fall in love, and in Spanish, enamorarse. Thus, 3 words in English are aligned to adapt 1 word in Spanish, so in the end it expresses the same human feeling in 2 different languages, English and Spanish. That's all. Thank you.